game, you know, because when I say Alkaline, the way how people, the way I see them get Alkaline credit, I'm not saying I'm not supposed to get no credit, you know. But
a few moments later,
you know, so that's why Alkaline have them fans there, you know. But as soon as somebody see the right thing, what to do, he going to lose those fans.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Go on. I hope everything good, you know. Yeah, man, I know things said. So people, see Nuffy run out. I try call Alkaline name in the war and thing. I mean, have a shit made. I mean, I say, yo, that youth, I don't know what Alkaline do him. But the last time here, maybe him never get the picture. Him host this show or some place in the US and him never get no picture and thing. See, I don't know if after that or maybe true, him a power on Cartel now. Cause remember them days when every comment him under where Cartel, him make a little post under the comment. Cartel not even pay him no mind. Saying, Cartel even give him a right hand. But look at him now. So we know say Nuffy is a snake in a dancehall, and that's why people don't even trust him, you know. You see it. Last year him say yo Sting fi cancel. Now this year I say yo Masicka and thing there fi just go on easy so they can go Sting. Masicka and Musty family. You see, but me couldn't listen to clip and me couldn't hear what go on.
Like the acceptance, why? Masicka, like how you accept the warrior. You realize he's a big man warrior. It's the first me ever see you get up in yourself. Because somebody look like them attack to you. Somebody attack to you. Masicka, somebody attack to you family. And I like Alkaline when me say, where I do pay subliminal type. I can't bother with them type of warrior. I do this, me a big man in this, so I can't talk my mind and say what I say. It's not like when Alkaline, them do them subliminal, and Masicka do them subliminal clash and afraid for call each other name and rare. That not make you no big man in a game.
But brother, Cartel no throw things too. Eh? Cartel no throw shots without when him say like a blind boy and all of them look something. When him a move out there go at it. How was that? No subliminal that. So what the problem? You say Masicka do it Alkaline a day. What's the problem? Everybody knows say yo the two man them a go at it. Is it? Because you love man so much you know one man quick call name if you have 20 times in a one song. Eh? Just because Masicka and Tammy Lee did a friend one at the time. Maybe them a friend. Maybe it's a fabricated thing this. But you don't know. We have to make it dancer space nice. Seeing? But brother, the two of them fought from the same camp. You see it, so nothing wrong. If a man want to call a man name, call a man name. If a man want to show a little shades over there, so it no matter. You see me, we know say Masicka just not worthy. Him not go run up on Alkaline. Because him know no ammunition for that. Him know things about Tammy Lee. Him know people tell him things about Tammy Lee. That's why I'm run out. Where am I go run out on Alkaline and say? Him not nothing for say, brother. Remember say from the get go, you know, Alkaline forward in that game, you know. The whole of them want make Cartel see them, you know. So him been a try get Cartel attention. Remember say him forward out and say him not rate Alkaline. And Alkaline a live in a Cartel shadow. You see it? So, brother, him been a push war from a long time. I say, yo, him war any one of them. Remember say him go up on stage with Tammy Lee and Gage, you know. You see it? So, when Alkaline ready now, he must have a pretty bigger picture. So what the problem? I don't know you talk about a war now and then you bring in Alkaline, brother. You see it? Because every dancehall artist through Subliminal. Every one of them, brother. You see it? Remember say Alkaline, you know. Alkaline this up his 6 man, this up Popcorn, you know, bro. Call name and everything. So and I like so the youth when the youth are war him out with that throw subs. Him have one of the baddest this song in a dancehall. With microwave with Popcorn. So I don't know where you try say fam. But we know say you say Gaza thing, so we understand what you try do. You try to go viral, because look at now, Cartel now. Cartel now no show right now. And you will get one little side little show where you're bridging them, call you in. So you want to get a little viral, because if you talk about Tammy Lee and some Masicka, maybe nothing really there, but you have to put in Alkaline night. Because I don't know how Alkaline reaching at this. You see it?
That not making a big man in a game, you know, because when I say Alkaline, the way of people, the way I see them get Alkaline credit, I'm not saying not supposed to get no credit, you know. But Alkaline is like PMP and labor rights, is an opposition to the music. So because if they're on the opposite side, in going to have fans, I have people who don't like Cartel, who don't like the Gaza. So they're going to be opposite. So most of them crowd there, most of the crowd there, Alkaline have because Movado now move forward with the world situation and capitalize and have it is like a PMP labor right business. You know, I don't understand music, you know. So,
bro, Nuffy, what kind of sugar you fought on the internet to talk about, dog? What you mean true Movada now do this, brother? Alkaline have fans way before him start link with Movada, bro. No sense. And you know what? I'm glad you bring up that point there, you know, when you go talk about JLP and PNP thing, you know, when you say him dep on the opposite side, you know, it show how no stay in a dance hall in a youth. If nobody no pick the guys or pick phone side, you know, uno try to bring them down. And that me realize with Uno, bro. Any artist when I rep uno try to bring them down. That's the thing what you mean by opposition. So none of the aspects say Alkaline if choose phone side. That's what you are try to say. Eh? That's what you are try to say, brother. Because you have to bring Alkaline in this. Just to try bring down the youth. You talk about Subliminal and all of them something. I don't know how this pop up. Now Tamil and Masicka war dog. Eh? How Alkaline drop in this? Eh? How are the problem, dog? It's like you hate Alkaline, so you talk about bad mind the youth, you know. Because him a go talk about yo him hear some people give Alkaline credit. Then him a go say yo, me nah say him not forget no credit. Bro, you bad mind youth. Me I tell you no me I tell you, you know, the whole of them sit down in the people. And I chat the youth, you know, just by that statement there. The man bad mind to people give Alkaline him credit. Youth, dangerous, you know. Remember me tell you about the more you fight the youth and more the youth career go right, climb high. You understand? The youth get stronger and stronger, dog. Cause you just say something a while ago about him on the opposite side and JLP and PNP. Brother, what you mean? The man do music. So what you try to say? True him not choose Gaza, him choose the over that side there. Bro, me never know say find you forward in a dance hall, you have to choose one side. No music you do. Eh? No music you do. Bro, me tell you, you know. Time and place everything, you know, brother. Cause every time you make a statement more Alkaline, me never hear you talk good and say yo the youth do it. You always a try bring down.
That's why Alkaline have them fans there now. But as soon as somebody see the right thing what to do, he's going to lose those fans. He's going to be normal because he don't have no accolade towards nothing. So if the Masicka losing I war, he might go have credit. See? Family a giant. Family a big general in our game, you know.
Yo, tell you know people. Yo, the money a big snake in a dance hall, you know. You can't trust them brother, you know. The man say, soon as somebody forward, Alkaline could lose him fans. Yo, they tell you though. Nuffy, brother, we don't say cartel now no show going right now. I understand, bro. You want to go viral, so you have to just call Alkaline name, brother. That you have to try to do right now. Cause we don't keep on involve Alkaline in the thing. See, me don't know how Alkaline reaching at this. But you bring in the youth in the conversation, but you try bring him down. You say, yo, you see people give him credit. Him a go lose fans. Him think I go water down all of them little thing there, brother. Every time Alkaline you bring down the youth not doing nothing. The youth not doing nothing, you know. But remember say where you find youths. Remember, you know, it don't even surprising. Cause look you now. See, it don't even surprising. If you know say, yo, Sting, we bill you for about 40 years and you sell it out for your one show. So that show is a brother, you're not loyal, brother. Me I tell you that. You're not loyal at all. Yeah, man. Cause you are talking about two man and you're bringing Alkaline out of the blue. I don't know how Alkaline reaching at this conversation, brother. You see it? Cause you're not going like say Alkaline and Masicka alone always go after things. Want to Skeng, want to the other Devin the doctor, want to Idonia. Yeah, you're bringing Alkaline and all them little thing the youth. Just because you want to go viral and you want to bring down the youth. Cause you're going saying lose fans. Alkaline and lose fans. You see what going on I show with Bounty Ready? You come like you not sleep, you know. Me I tell you say you not sleep, dog. Cause you feel like say you still have the control of dancehall. Brother, dancehall gone left on the dog. So if you are talk about that way there, brother, you know the way behind time can you come like you know see what going on with Cartel right now. Your boss. You know see what going on right now. He can drop a song for save him. Right now. When last him get a hit song? The last song we know about I must say God is the greatest. Me see him drop a Christmas carol, people must say, yo, what this? Bro, sometimes we don't understand say bro game gone left on the brother. So you there talk. Not because the two man usually say Gaza. But you know no control. What you say, brother, you no valid, bro. It don't valid. Cause you are telling man them say yo easy and so them can go up and sting. The same sting where you mash up where you tell links they don't keep it because I can't tell show. Me never know say you still have interest in a link show, bro. Eh? Big time sell out, brother. You're telling about Uno. You see it? You're telling about Uno, bro. Yeah, man. But people, listen what I say.
See? So at the end of the day, Masicka, me and you may not say it to you again because you don't know the thing already and you don't know where Gaza will never change because we grow Gaza, we born Gaza, and we are born Gaza. Nothing can change. But that means if me see you, forget the props. You know means me not go give you props. Because you're still Gaza crooks. See? And family as part of Gaza. See?
You see, you saw them hypocrite, yeah? Now you were there when no say Masicka this cartel about crown and thing. I bring down Masicka and all of them look something there. Now not tried one little friend up thing and brother, I wanna stay so dog. Yo, no hypocritical, you know. Me I tell you.
It's still a Portmore war at one. But you don't know we have to differentiate. It'll come like two counts line and area war. You understand? It'll come like a two counts line. This is a warrior with family and Masicka. Me notice every war always lasts 1 week or 2 weeks. Hear me I say, all of the social media people, quest time and main danger, and the rest of you, we are put up a table who take the round if and who take the round. Listen me, I mash up the war every blood clot minute. All the people going to talk about who take war if and who take war and score the thing. Now, this look good for dancehall. Long time I want Masicka, call people name. See? Him definitely. Hear Tommy call him name. So him a call name now. And I stand up like say him really ready for one war. This a big people war. Long time I want him and I tell him to find your league. Do the right thing.
Brother, now you did bring down the man where they say him nah see no crown, them nah get no crown. So how you a say yo, a long time you tell man this. Wanna stay so dog. True nothing nah going with cartel thing right now. With no shows and thing. You forward out and three man them start one little war now. You want forward out and make comments because you want hop on a cloud train. Eh? What you did there in our day? Look on last year. What you did there? Last year when the Freedom Street and thing are going. I remember say Masicka never get to perform on the show and thing. Oh, you never forward an attack. When Sunfest go on and the little crown thing with Jashi, and then after you cuss, bring down Masicka and all of these things. So how now you have talk in how the youth do? Bro, me I tell you, no dangerous dog. Can't be trusted.
And remember, the warrior look good. Can't tell me Lee, I know one easy walk over. Sparta, yo! So hear me I say, it's a warrior, a real war. Wanna start blood clots, score the war, but who take war from one of them. I want the warrior going in the right and proper way where people can talk about it. You hear me tell you now? Stop score the war about who take the round if I want to take the round. I don't know what on the social media I mash up the thing. I want the war going in the right and proper way. I want the artists them drop the song them properly. Take 1 2 days or 1 3 days to drop the song. But if you even find a song and it sound good already and a man shoot 1 o'clock and you shoot 2 o'clock and it sound good, I will accept it. But the main danger in quest time and all of them social media people here, we are put up on the net every minute but who take the run and mash up the war. See?
Brother, all the Instagram page them a mash up war. Brother, the artists them drop them song and the people them post up it and ask question. How that for mash up war? Me not understand that, brother. Nuffy, where you forward from? What you did there with you? Eh? You know cartel MC dog? No, you turn internet meme or war. Brother, yeah. Remember say you're MC, brother, for hosting clash, brother, and that up on stage. You don't have nothing to do with the internet. What you did there? What you forward out? You just forward out of the blue now and make one bag of statement. No uno rub out Masicka with you. This up Masicka. Same bad man cartel for crown and all that. So how now you don't have words to say? How I problem? Eh? No show now go on again. Eh? Cartel now have show. Bro, we'll find something though, man.
Big man war this seat now. I don't know what Masicka go do now. We no can't run, you know. I'm sure. Because Tommy Lee and not somebody to play with. So it's a real war. Yo, ready now.
Real war. We are going to see, you know, because all me see Masicka do I drop this 5 minutes, 6 minutes song, you know. And it's like, brother, that's some drag out thing, about 4 songs that, and the man merge them in a 2. So, I don't know Where my deal with that? Cause him drop a song to them man for a 6 minute song. Me I say, brother, what kind of long song this, brother? After no church choir this thing. Yo, me after there, me I say, bro, what you do? You war or you try get a hits or something? Because bro, you could have just this a man in a one just 2.5 minute to 3 minute. But you need all a 6 minute. And you know, and then like say him just a drop like a regular gun song and I mix it in with little info him get about family. That's it. Nothing else there, brother. So I don't know this bugger dragging out a long songs and so wait, so the next song we gonna drop a 7 minute. Yo, be a tell you, brother. But brother, that warrior, it a go on. It's just that it good say yo, you know, it a draw the attention of the people them cause nothing never that go on with the dancehall space. So it's just a good look for say yo, something that go on with the people them can go and piggyback on and thing. That's all. You see it. So I just one of them thing the people, but you don't know media facts, Yeah man, that is it.